Alright, YouTube subscribers, my name is Rayshawn, known as Rayniz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm back with another video of my 42-inch Appliance white Emerson Pro Series 2 ceiling fan. Now, as you can see, that I forgot to show you what the box actually said. It said CUPC, label for actual finish. And this is the UPC right here. But I'm about to go on and make an unboxing video of this fan. So I'm about to grab a key. Give me a minute. So this is the Emerson Pro Series 2 ceiling fan guide. And as you can see, that this ceiling fan was made by Shanloon Industries. And it's dated March of 2020. Now, Shanloon Industries actually made Hampton-based ceiling fans too, but let me get back with the let me get back to unboxing, pulling out some random stuff right here. And this is the blank switch cap, so if you want to install the ceiling fan shown without the just in case if you want to install the ceiling fan without the light kit, this the blank switch cap that comes with it. And here go the blade brackets. Hold on, you guys. Now this is 1 out of 5 of the blade brackets right here. And this is what the blade brackets actually look like. So the rest of them is inside this package here. Now here's the canopy. Now this actually uses the same canopy as any other Shanloon Industries made ceiling fans use. It's like a Hampton Bay. And here are the pull chains and this rubber thing for the ceiling fan to keep the canopy from getting nicked and stuff. And here's the pull chain. So those are your those are the wire connectors. Those are the pull chains. This is for the light and this is for the fan. The blade bracket screws. A balancing kit. And then here's the motor to the here's the motor to the Emerson here's the motor to the Emerson Pro Series 2 ceiling fan. As you can see. And then these are the spring clip light kits. And if you want to put the globes on, you squeeze these spring clips and actually slide the globes on there. And it got these things and stuff to keep the motor from getting damaged doing shipping these great parts here. So this the light, and it's the fan. And these are the globes. Hold on, my mask in the way. These are the globes here. And these are some LED light bulbs. But I was about to say, where the blade, the motor screws at, but they are attached to the blade brackets right here. So other than that, I'm about to go in and show you all this stuff. I'll be right there. So these are the fan parts here. And I'm gonna actually be putting this ceiling fan together. So other than that, I'm about to go on and end this video. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.